Hola! Today we are going to dance a little bit of rumbas flamencas. We're going to put together a little combination to the music of Paco de Lucía, Entre dos Aguas, which is like a classic flamenco piece. We're going to just do 3 moves with a little bit of arm variation. So this is perfect for brand new beginners, and if you're more experienced, then you get to really just dig into the movement. And if you don't know who I am Rina Orellana, and I'm a professional flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience. I teach in the Los Angeles area in person, and I have an online studio at the Online Flamenco Studio where you can speak, feel, and dance flamenco with me there, with over 80 courses for brand new beginners through advanced dancers in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory. And we have challenges and workouts and live trainings, and it's just a wonderful community in there. And you can click the link below for your free 10-day trial. So let's begin. So before we begin, let's set what the compás is for this piece. So the compás is basically the rhythm, the tempo, the aire of it, and it's in 4s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got that. And we're going to do 3 different marking steps. And the first marking step is forward, together, forward, together. Now you want to relax the hips, and we're going to have with the arm, one arm, and then our second marking step is side with the arm front, together, side, together, side, together, side, together. Okay, so again, that is forward, together, forward, together, forward, together, forward, together. Now you want to relax those hips and let the movement, like the weight, follow through. And then the second one is side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together. And now the third marking is we're just going to go around in a circle, and you're going to stand on the left and scoot, 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 arm up, bottom, bottom, and now switch, left arm up, stand on the right leg, boom, bottom, 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 and that's it. So we have front, together, front, together, front, together, front, together, side, 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 and around, 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 bottom, 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 and switch, bum, bottom, 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 and back to the beginning, boom. All right, let's dance with the music. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. And around. And front. Side. Around. Okay, now we'll start the arm variations. Left arm. And both arms. Around, both arms up. And up again. Back to the beginning again. Left arm. And both arms side. Around. And up through the center. And up to the center. Okay, repeat, up. And up to the center. And up to the center. Okay, now we're gonna go low. Stay here. Okay, and low to the side. And around, both arms up, fingers. And fingers. Okay, repeat. Low. And side. And fingers. And fingers. Back to the beginning. Boom. And side. Right arm. Again. And side. Arm up. And left arm. And both arms up. And up. And open wide. And left arm. And both arms. And open wide. And open. And low. Low. And then keep the arm low down. And left arm. Repeat that. We're gonna stay low. And low. And up high. Ba, ba, ba. Up high. Shoulder, shoulder. Up. Chest up high. Chest up high. And up. Side. Chest up high. And both arms. Side. And around. Ole. That was fun. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Paco de Lucía, classic. If you want to dance more with me in a structured, step-by-step environment, join me on the Online Flamenco Studio, where I really emphasize speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco, because flamenco is not just repeating choreography and following the teacher. I teach you how to speak flamenco. That's understanding the structure and all the different palos, all the different rhythms. I teach you how to feel flamenco. That's understanding the aire, the energy of each rhythm, each palo, and also cultivating that courage to stand up and be seen. And then, of course, there's the dancing element, which is all the technique, and really focusing on the compás, and my favorite, kissing flamenco. That's keeping it strong and simple. So we have over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced dancers in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory. And we have a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world, different levels, just like you. And we have live trainings, live Q&As, challenges, monthly challenges, and monthly workouts. So I keep you moving, I keep you motivated, and we go dive deep into flamenco. So it's not just surface level copying what I do. I teach you how to dance it. Ole. So if you want to join me, be sure to click the link for your free 10-day trial. Until next time.